Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join a Slack working space. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, there is no direct way to join a working space on Slack. That means you will be needing to be invited by the moderator or administrators of the working space. And for a moderator to add new members or so they can allow you to join, they will need just either to send you like the link or the URL of the working space, or they can simply add you as a member to the working space. And to do so, they will be needing just to go to the title from here, and basically you will need just invite people to this working space. So we can click simply to invite people, and from here either they can add the name, something like whatever.com, and basically this is an email, and you can like invite member or as a guest, or they can be, for example, as a moderator or whatever. And after that, they will need just to simply click on send, or as I said, they can give you an invite link. And basically, an invite link would be showing like that. So let's just paste it, and simply it will be join.slack, and basically here you will have some uh, working space name, etc. And then you will be able to start joining this working space. And by joining a working space, you will be able to start like doing um, different or several things on this working space. Either you can start joining channel, you can start huddles, and basically you will be able just to join public channels. If they are private, you will be need to be invited to them, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.